Welcome to the latest climate podcast. Here are today's top climate news stories. In India, Adani Energy Solutions Limited is making impressive strides in renewable energy and technology. The company has doubled its project pipeline to 60,000 crore rupees and expanded its transmission network to support the growing demand for green power. It has secured a major renewable energy corridor in Rajasthan and is actively installing smart meters to improve electricity management. Adani Electricity Mumbai Limited aims to increase its renewable energy sourcing from 45% to 70% by 2030. Additionally, they are developing low-carbon cooling solutions and assisting industries in transitioning to cleaner energy, showcasing a strong commitment to sustainability.
Turkey has received an exciting $9 billion in new financing from Russia for the Akkuyu nuclear plant. This investment is a significant step forward in Turkey's efforts to enhance its energy infrastructure and reduce reliance on fossil fuels. The Akkuyu project is expected to contribute to cleaner energy production, aligning with global climate change goals. By advancing nuclear energy, Turkey aims to create a more sustainable future while boosting its economy. This partnership highlights the importance of international collaboration in addressing energy needs and environmental challenges. Overall, this development is a positive stride towards a greener energy landscape in Turkey.
India is taking a significant step towards energy security and climate responsibility with the passage of the SHANTI bill on December 17, 2025. This bill aims to modernize India's nuclear energy framework, addressing long-standing issues while ensuring safety and regulatory oversight. Critics express concerns about private sector involvement, but the bill promotes diversified ownership under strict regulations. It also aligns with global practices on liability and compensation, ensuring victims are supported swiftly. The SHANTI bill represents a balanced approach, recognizing the need for both nuclear and renewable energy to meet India's climate commitments and developmental needs.
In Portugal, classmates of Claudio Valente, the suspect in a tragic shooting, believe the intense academic environment at the University of Lisbon may have contributed to his mental struggles. Valente, a brilliant student, faced disappointment after dropping out of Brown University, while his victim, Nuno Loureiro, thrived at MIT. Former peers emphasize the need for better mental health support in academia, as high pressure and competition can lead to distress. They argue that addressing the culture of bullying and access to weapons is crucial in preventing such tragedies, rather than focusing solely on immigration issues.
Gujarat, India, is making significant strides in renewable energy with the completion of the final phase of a 600-megawatt solar project at Khavda. This final phase added 135 megawatts to the project, which is part of the larger 2,375-megawatt renewable energy park. The Gujarat Industries Power Company Limited, supported by several local companies, has ambitious plans for further development, including a memorandum of understanding with the government of Gujarat for additional solar projects. The allocation of 4,750 hectares of land for renewable energy development highlights the region's commitment to sustainable energy solutions.
Sembcorp Industries, based in Singapore, has successfully acquired a 300-megawatt solar project in Rajasthan, India. This acquisition, valued at approximately 246 million Singapore dollars, 191.6 million US dollars, involves a complete stake in Renew Sunbright, which operates the Fatehgarh solar project. The facility has been operational since November 2021 and is linked to India's national grid. With this addition, Sembcorp's renewable energy capacity in India now exceeds 7.6 gigawatts, contributing to its impressive global portfolio of 20.2 gigawatts in renewable energy assets. This move highlights a strong commitment to sustainable energy development.
In 2025, climate change became increasingly evident, with the World Meteorological Organization declaring it likely one of the warmest years on record. Greenhouse gas levels reached new highs, driven by human activities. While the United States saw a rise in liquefied natural gas exports under Donald Trump, China made progress, with emissions stabilizing or declining. The European Union faced challenges in climate policy, struggling to balance ambitious targets with industry pressures. Despite setbacks at the COP30 summit in Brazil, new coalitions emerged among climate-friendly nations. Looking ahead, 2026 is expected to continue this trend of rising temperatures, with a key conference on fossil fuel transition planned in Colombia.
Tata Motors in India is set to launch an exciting facelift of the Punch electric SUV soon, along with plans for 3 new electric vehicle models by 2026. The updated Punch EV will feature a new Gen 2 electric motor for improved power and efficiency. It may also include an acoustic vehicle alerting system to help pedestrians hear the vehicle at low speeds. The infotainment screen is expected to upgrade to a larger size, and the battery capacity could increase to enhance its range. Additionally, the facelift might introduce advanced safety features, making the Punch EV even more appealing.
Hindustan Copper in India has seen its shares soar by 8%, reaching a 15-year high as global copper prices climb due to tight supply. This surge reflects strong investor interest, with the stock gaining 89% in 2025, significantly outperforming the metals index. Analysts highlight that the company's growth is fueled by rising copper demand, especially in construction and renewable energy sectors. With plans to triple mining capacity by 2031, Hindustan Copper is well positioned for the future. Overall, the positive trends in copper prices and the company's expansion strategies make it an exciting investment opportunity.
In India, Ankur Bansal, co-founder and managing director of BlackSoil Capital, is excited about future growth opportunities following the successful acquisition of Caspian Debt and a recent capital raise. With a focus on diversifying funding sources and reducing concentration risk, BlackSoil is now targeting climate finance, supporting companies in agri-tech and electric vehicles. Bansal emphasizes the importance of governance and data-driven decision-making in lending. The company aims for steady growth of 20 to 30% over the next few years, while remaining cautious about non-performing assets. Bansal is open to more acquisitions that align with BlackSoil's goals. Cool.
The United States is revitalizing its graphite mining industry to meet the growing demand for this essential battery component, particularly for electric vehicles. After decades of closure, companies like Titan Mining Corp in New York are preparing to tap into local graphite deposits, aiming for commercial sales by 2028. With increasing trade tensions with China, U.S. officials are eager to secure a reliable domestic supply of this critical mineral. Titan plans to produce around 40,000 metric tons of graphite annually, potentially fulfilling half of the nation's current needs. This initiative highlights a promising shift towards energy independence and technological advancement.
Vikram Engineering, based in India, is celebrating a significant boost in its share price, which rose by 7% to reach a 3-week high of 103 rupees. This surge follows the company securing a 459.20 crore contract for a 400-megawatt solar power project in Uttar Pradesh from NTPC Renewable Energy Limited. The project will enhance Vikram's presence in the solar energy sector. Additionally, the company recently received another order worth 2,035.26 crore for solar projects in Maharashtra. Together, these contracts total 2,494 crore, exceeding the company's market capitalization and marking a positive turnaround after a challenging period.
Hyundai Motor Company is excited to unveil its largest electric vehicle yet at the Brussels Motor Show. This new model, expected to be bigger than the Ioniq 9, features a spacious, boxy design aimed at families and lifestyle enthusiasts. Although specific details are limited, the vehicle will likely include advanced technology, multiple digital displays, and a 3-row seating configuration. With a focus on comfort and efficiency, it aims to enhance Hyundai's electric vehicle lineup and tap into new markets. This debut marks a significant step in Hyundai's commitment to expanding electric mobility globally.
In 2025, climate change significantly impacted wildlife across various regions, highlighting the urgent need for adaptation. In Iceland, mosquitoes appeared for the first time, signaling ecological shifts. Japan faced increased bear attacks as food sources dwindled. In the United States, black vultures expanded their territory, troubling farmers. Meanwhile, Australia saw humpback whales migrating earlier due to warming oceans. However, challenges arose, including locust swarms threatening crops in Africa and Europe, and endangered elephants suffering from flash floods in Asia. These changes underscore the intricate connections between climate, wildlife, and human communities, emphasizing the importance of proactive measures for a sustainable future.
Russia is currently facing significant developments as Kyiv claims a successful strike on a major Russian oil refinery using Storm Shadow missiles. This highlights the ongoing tensions in the region. While the article touches on various topics, it emphasizes the importance of quality journalism in addressing critical issues, including climate change. The Independent aims to provide accessible reporting for all Americans, regardless of political views, and encourages support to continue delivering important news. Engaging with both sides of the story is essential, especially during such pivotal moments in history.
Kalyani Steels Limited, based in India, is making a positive move by acquiring an 8.64% stake in Clean Renewable Energy KK1A Private Limited for 51.9 crore. This investment aligns with Kalyani's strategy to utilize renewable energy sources under the Electricity Act, 2003. Clean Renewable Energy, registered in New Delhi and founded in September 2023, focuses on electricity generation. This acquisition reflects a growing trend among industries to invest in renewable energy. Kalyani Steel's shares saw a slight increase, trading at 742.50, showcasing investor confidence in their sustainable direction.
In Wales, communities are concerned about the impact of large solar farms on tourism, food production, and wildlife. While the UK aims for ambitious climate goals, experts warn that these developments threaten vital ecosystems. In Gwent Levels, nearly 20% of protected wildlife sites could be at risk. Wildlife advocates argue that renewable energy should not come at the expense of nature. Local leaders suggest using existing structures for solar panels instead. The Welsh government emphasizes the need for a balance between climate action and biodiversity protection, highlighting the importance of careful planning to safeguard both the environment and communities.
In 2025, remarkable climate progress was made globally, with clean energy investments hitting a record $2.2 trillion, surpassing fossil fuel funding. Countries like China, the European Union, the United States, and India led the way in renewable energy growth, particularly in solar and wind power. Battery prices continued to decline, making electric vehicles more accessible. Artificial intelligence enhanced climate research and weather forecasting, while international agreements like the High Seas Treaty advanced protections for marine environments. Overall, despite ongoing challenges, the world is decarbonizing faster than expected, fostering optimism for a sustainable future. For more climate news, make sure to download the Change Your Climate app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Please note these stories were AI generated from real news sources, which isn't always perfect. If you have any concerns or questions about the news contained in this podcast, please reach out to us. Thank you, and see you tomorrow.